The SPYPOINT FlexM makes switching to cellular easier than ever by providing incredible quality at an unbeatable price. The FlexM can transmit HD photos and 720p videos with sound straight to your phone. It also features a responsive trigger that enables the camera to adjust its settings automatically, giving you bright, clear photos every time. Just pick up a Class 10 microSD card and 8 AA's or a lit 22 rechargeable battery pack and you'll be ready to rock. The SPYPOINT FlexM offers Time-Lapse and Time-Lapse Plus. Time-Lapse Plus is awesome. Now you can scout an entire field with preset photo times plus your motion trigger to catch everything that walks by your camera in between those intervals. A huge advantage when speed scouting for those out-of-state trips or just making sure you see everything all the time. The FlexM features true dual SIM technology. This means your camera will always find the strongest signal available on any carrier and provide reliable transmission even at your most remote spots. On-camera buttons make setup easy and allow you to format the microSD card, enabling the camera to take photos while transmitting. And yes, the FlexM is also GPS enabled and offers over-the-air updates for firmware, so you never have to worry about where your camera is or if it's up to date. An affordable and dependable scouting tool, the SPYPOINT FlexM.